We spent $3,000 on this, and we may make $30,000 or more.
It could be.
We could make $30,000 in here.
You'll see what's in here. It's
and we're gonna need some help because this is like some Breaking Bad type stuff. This is like, this dude had a, I mean, thank goodness Alan's wife is a chemist.
Yeah,
a professor,
so,
right?
Yeah, she's a chemistry professor. I've been working with, you'll see when you see the equipment, for decades. And we were looking last night just at the pictures, and of course it's very different looking in person than pictures, but oh my gosh, there is like incredible.
All right, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, dude. Alan, and you can see he's wearing gloves.
I'm wearing gloves because
you never know.
I don't know what's on here.
Guys, look at now this machine right here sells for $4,500.
Yep, new, but yeah.
And we spent $3,000 on this unit. I mean, this is just insane. Look how far back all that equipment goes. He had 3 storage units. We ended up only buying 1, but I think we got the best one, to be honest.
Yeah, the others were complete mysteries. They were just literally boxes.
Look at those down there.
Like, this is a pump over here. That's going to be hundreds of dollars. Looked up this.
That's $100.
Micro amp. Let's see. There it is, right there.
Oh, your internet's working here. That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Full service.
How much is that thing right there? What is that little thing right there?
Which one?
That right there. Just oh, never mind. That's something weird.
I don't know. I'm gonna take a look though. Because
oh, there's another one of those things. That's $200 of our money right there.
Right. Exactly.
Well, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this out, pull some of the big stuff out, and we're gonna start showing you what's in this unit. And if you know anything about this stuff, please let us know, because we're gonna need all the help we can get. A lot of boxes in here too. Look, he's even got his Breaking Bad his Breaking Bad coat there. Look at all those boxes over there.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh,
I'm not sure this is exactly the same, but it's pretty similar.
Yeah. How much is it?
$166.
Oh my gosh, dude. There's money here. We should have bought the other 2 units, Alan.
Well,
darn it.
We got to go with what we.
I know. All right. So we're gonna open. Let's here. Grab this. Oh wait, never mind. We gotta pull the whole thing out. All right. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me get some of this stuff out of here, and we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right. Put your hand in there, Alan.
Okay. Well, not over here, probably.
Oh, it's got a gauge over here?
Yeah, this thing is...
Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, put your hand in there. What do you think you'd be doing in here? Cultivating something?
Yes, it looks like an incubator, but it's a hypoxia chamber for research use only.
Is this screen?
Yeah, it is.
We might want to get that out of the sun, actually.
Okay, we can...
but look at that.
Yep, we just need to get a power source and we can... test it out.
No, it's right here.
I know, I'm saying we need to get the...
Oh yeah, the source. Okay. Dude, there's so much money in here, man. Yeah. We spent $3,000 on this, but I think we made a load of money.
I feel
like loads of money. I mean, look at all those machines back there, dude. It's almost overwhelming just thinking about it. Oh, we're gonna leave those though.
Ton of
I might, yeah, I'll put a pair of gloves on.
You do want the gloves on.
Look, even this machine here looks interesting. That one.
Yeah, this is the one that Liz thought was like a dryer, like a chemical dryer.
So I'm gonna get all this stuff out in the middle so we can really start looking at the edges of this and start opening up some of these boxes.
I'm gonna look this one up. It's actually got, the great thing is a lot of this stuff is gonna have
model easy listing. All right. Oh, look up this model number real quick. Model RV3. RV3.
Edwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a...
Looks like a pump.
That's a vacuum pump.
RV3 Edwards. Oh, it's even got the...
Okay, this is...
Oh, and it passed electrical testing, safety test as well. Holy shit, dude. Are you serious?
These are probably new. That's
still.
That's a used one over here, $419.
Wow.
So
that paid for almost a quarter of it.
This paid for the units.
Yeah, the one item.
If we look this up, we think that's $150.
All right, let me get some of these trays out of here.
I'm gonna look at this one if you want.
And then we'll
show them a couple other things. I'm gonna take a look at this and see what this is.
Let me get some of these trays out of here, guys. We'll be right back. Plus, we have a caution just in case things get wet in here. All right, Alan.
There's so much. We took a quick look.
We are gonna do. We're gonna tell you kind of some of the model numbers. I'm hoping that you guys can help us at home.
Yeah, we need help.
And if there's any doctors, let me know. We're gonna use this flammable as our table right here. What do you think, Alan? Is that smart?
Well, we're not powering anything, so.
All right, this is a model number ML204. It's made in Switzerland.
ML204.
Yeah, oh, it's got a little door here. Looks like it could be cleaned inside too, maybe a little bit, but glass. Digital.
What's the model number again?
It's ML204 on this bad boy. Oh, yeah, you got it right there.
This is an asking price, $664.
$664.
There's now, before everybody rushes to the comments and says, "Good luck selling this stuff." We know that this stuff is going to be.
We just need half of it to sell. Yeah.
But
$664.
We paid $3,000 for the unit.
Yeah.
And just the dry box over here, I bet we'll find somebody and sell it for $2,000.
Oh yeah. All right.
We're patient.
We should actually put this dry box in the truck real quick, actually, since it's got that LED screen.
Okay.
And then we'll grab some more stuff. Don't worry, this is gonna get exciting. Come on, don't go anywhere, guys. This is Breaking Bad type stuff. All right.
Okay.
This was on the trolley over there. By the way, all the trolleys that you saw in the middle, or whatever they're called, we brought them out here so we can get in the unit.
And again, I'm going to be showing probably a lot of listed prices, but this one's listed for $599.
By the way, I think there's more of these in here.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yep.
You want to show what's in this box real quick, and then we'll do... Dude, this is totally some Breaking Bad type stuff.
Yeah, these are tubes.
Those are all tubes, and they're all glass. Wow. See? They're glass tubes, guys.
It's a good thing we have internet today, because otherwise...
Fisher brand.
Yeah.
Well, we need to have...
we need Liz.
Liz over here. She actually deals with all this stuff. Oh man, I'm glad we're working on a flammable table. Oh, Alan, dude, we might have some money in these, buddy.
Yeah, these are listed on eBay for... How many are in here anyway?
Three boxes full.
3 boxes. Well, they're listed for $200 a box on eBay.
One box?
Yeah.
No way, dude.
Wait.
Just glass tubes?
Yeah.
No way.
Like, I don't know. There's like 150 or something in there.
Jesus.
These could be.
Can you look this up? They have model numbers on the bottom, but they may actually be different ones each one. I don't know.
Yeah.
There's 2 crates full of them here. Oh my gosh, dude! Look at this. Dude, there may be 50,000 or more in this unit, actually, Alan.
I think there is.
We looked up that refrigerator over here. Apparently, this refrigerator sells for 8,000, even if you got 5,000 out of it. Pays for the whole unit. It's kind of dark in here. Got this weird thing attached to it. It's Honeywell. But apparently, this thing's like a $8,000 refrigerator. So.
See if I can find this sold.
Yeah.
It's not the same model. It's similar. I think 150 bucks just for that.
Oh my god.
And look, we got a
so we got probably $3,000 worth of whatever these are.
Could be. Those are some.
There's a ton of them in here.
Pretty expensive crates there.
Literally, they're.
These are.
Oh, this one's huge, Alan.
These are an easy. I'll look it up. These are an easy sell.
Yeah.
On eBay.
Look at this, dude. Ton of them in here. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Well, probably like 25. This probably paid for almost the whole unit. Just these 2 crates, bro.
It would not surprise me with everything I'm seeing.
Hopefully you guys like. We are going to pull up a lot of prices with this unit because there's so much unique stuff here that it's hard to tell. Look at this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is that right there? Oh, I don't know.
I think this one's again another $200.
Oh my god, that's heavy.
$200 regulator.
Okay. All right. Well, let's get that on the truck, and then we'll show some more equipment.
In these 2 crates, $2,500, maybe $3,000.
I paid for the whole unit. I'm gonna get them in the truck. Don't go. All right. Careful, buddy. Careful.
I'm being careful.
It's glass. All the chemists in the world right now are like, oh no, no. What is this thing? Holy moly.
So, Rota
This is-
Vapor.
This is straight out of a freaking movie here.
Or a chemistry lab.
Or a chemistry lab, probably.
Liz would know what it is. It's
Yeah.
a Rota Vapor. I really wish you were here.
You vape your road. Oh, Roto Vapor.
Yeah.
It's number 401, it looks like. Made in Switzerland. Man, those Swiss know how to make their stuff. Huh.
I need to, I'm still looking it up. Gucci.
Those
Fortunately, these have model numbers.
Yeah, it makes it easy. We did find some chemicals in here too. Look at that thing. That's wild.
So this one again listed for $469.
So 469 bucks.
Yeah. I mean, that's
is this where you put your chocolate fondue?
Yeah, I don't have the answer to any of that.
Is that where you put your chocolate, guys?
I would not recommend using it. Although maybe you can.
Yeah. All right. Let's show some more. Can you get a couple more equipment things and we'll.
Yeah.
We got Bach. Don't worry, guys. It's a choppy video. It's just such a hard video to film because, well, you guys can see it's not like we got random boxes of stuff. It's all equipment.
All equipment. It's a good table too. It's
Yeah.
nice and sunny.
Nice and sunny. Look at that. HB43-S. Wow. Good thing I'm wearing gloves. Alan's bringing out some more. That one looks like it's a blender.
At least the base of it. Okay.
That'd be a blender right there. All right, I'm guessing 400, 100.
Okay, let's see.
400, 100. This one actually's got a plastic protective shield on it right there. This one's is this Swiss company too, it looks like? No.
I think this analyzes moisture.
Oh no way, dude.
$6.99, $6.50.
$6.50. I told you. Now I'm guessing 100. The blender doesn't look that. We might be missing a piece of it too, maybe.
Yeah, that's $50. Although
Okay.
I don't know if that's the same. This might be it here. $119, and that's a sold price on eBay.
That's a sold price.
Yep.
Okay.
So yeah,
There we go. Not bad.
Why don't you give me the camera? I'll let you.
Okay.
grab
All right.
something.
All right. All right. Make sure you. All right, Alan. Don't go anywhere. Okay.
I'm standing still.
I've been wanting to see this thing for a while. Okay. All right.
I know it's tempting to take more than one thing at a time, but
That's right. So,
it's a chemical microsensor.
now check this thing out. Now this right here is a $300 piece. Chemical microsensor. Gosh, it's wild. Everything you pull out here is $300 to $400.
150.
150? Oh my gosh, I was way off, dude. Way off. Okay. Actually, I've got another one, Alan. Here, I'm gonna grab this because it's heavy. Actually, let's see what this is right here. This thing looks important. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Oh, this one looks important, Alan. Pull that thing out.
We got multiples of these too.
Yeah.
There's at least one more up there.
Take that. That looks important. But that one looks really important right up there. So we're gonna grab that next. We'll take a load to the truck. Oh, got another one of these. That was like a $400 item. Remember, guys? That thing. Oh, almost just tripped. It's gonna be a weird YouTube video. Hopefully you guys like this. Holy crap, no way, dude. Oh, that's brand new.
Yeah, I think this is it here.
300 bucks. I saw the 1500 and I'm like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, that might be a new one. $300. So there's two of these.
Yeah, that's 600 bucks right there. All right, let me get these out to the truck real quick and we'll get some more equipment on these boxes, especially the flammable one. I'm really curious about this because it just looks like it screams money, doesn't it, you, Alan?
It looks good. Let's bring a few things out here.
Okay, well, let's scan this real quick. I'm just impatient.
You're impatient.
I really want to see this. No, they kind of etched that out. That's weird.
Not for human use.
Not for human use. What's this right here?
It's a volumetric infusion pump.
Volumetric infusion pump. It's a lot of words. What does those words mean in money?
$232.
Okay.
Not too bad.
Yeah. Not
We're,
you know,
everything we're finding is
in the
like,
hundreds.
In the hundreds.
Even test tubes. I'd be happy with me more test tubes, to be honest. Oh yeah, brother. That's a good one. Yep, you're getting some good ones there. Yes, sir. We can even show a few in here too. All right.
Feels, well, my sunglasses are activated, so that's probably why.
Oh yeah. Oh, you got the prescription. This thing, what is this big old thing here? Let me grab this thing. Oh my gosh, that's, hopefully it doesn't fall on my toe. That would really hurt. This thing's heavy. Oh my God, Alan.
Yeah, this pump's so.
Bro, I'm thinking this is $1,000 pump.
Let's see.
Where's the brand, or where's the make, or where's the model now? Oh, here we go. Oh, it's got a big model. No, never mind. It's an Edwards pump. And it is huge. Looks like it's seen some things.
I think probably a couple $100 for that.
Yeah. Yep.
The Vortex Genie 2.
I wonder if the tops are somewhere in there.
113 for that.
113. Yeah, you're rocking and rolling with the prices. We're gonna have to start putting some of these on the screen. Ashley, honey, put some of these prices on the screen. She's the one that edits the videos, guys. She's not here today. She's actually at the warehouse shipping your guys' stuff from our auction. So shout out to Ashley. Of course, this isn't really her unit. She loves the...
Yeah.
This is, you know... This would be your wife's unit, though.
Well, yeah.
She'd be all about this. Oh, bro, is that really it?
That's not it.
Okay. So,
I think it's this part of it, so yeah, I'm not finding it.
where'd that metal thing go? Remember that metal thing that you saw? Or was that it was like a tube metal thing in the pictures? All right, take a look at this one right here. This is an Edwards. I think this is some big money. It just screams it. It's called an Edwards XD S5.
I don't know, this could be worth some money.
Oh, you're still on that?
Yeah. We have to open it up. Let's see if we can open this up.
Holy God. Oh yeah, open that thing up. 3,660. Oh, wait, is it? It looks like it.
That's it.
Oh my gosh. We're going back to Vegas.
We got two of them. Right?
Yeah, we're going back to Vegas. Are we going back to Vegas or no?
These are...
No?
I'm always open to go back to Vegas.
Okay.
So we should talk about Vegas a little bit.
Okay, we will.
How much fun it was.
Oh, it was a lot
even
of
though my
fun.
team's lost.
Yeah, you bring bad luck to the teams.
I mean, it's like $7,000 for this.
Holy gosh. You know, those local buyers are going to be pissed, aren't they?
You know, there were two other units that we ended up not getting that probably has a lot of money as well.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. Haters gonna hate. Right, Alan?
They got something, I'm sure.
Okay, all right, we got Edwards XDS5.
Wow, that one blows me away.
Yeah, I was thinking another $100, but I'll take 3,000. Holy crap, dude! Are you serious?
These are not showing necessarily what we're. Give me a. Although,
dude,
that's it.
I told you, yeah, 1,700.
Wow.
All it needs is a little makeover.
Yeah.
Passed electrical safety test.
Yeah, this can be clean.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Wow. So.
Yeah, we're.
This is like.
Amen, brother.
$9,000. So how much is this? This is certainly a six-figure unit.
I'm thinking we're 60 grand here or more.
Well, I think
or more.
We got $9,000 just.
Yeah, you're right.
Just so now we may not get $9,000.
I think we're gonna get 9,000.
Although that price was a used price on those two are new.
Yeah.
Even if we sell it a little bit cheap.
Even 5 grand.
Yeah. Well, 5,000. I'm sure we
yeah.
sell it pretty quickly.
Okay. Well, let me get these in the truck, and we're gonna be really careful with those, and we'll be right back. Storage units. Oh, by the way, if you're local, we have a local auction. Some of the stuff's gonna go on the local auction.
It will.
And it's search on FB what is it again? Oregon Local Auctions. Go check it out. I'll put a link below.
Yeah, put the link.
And you can buy some of this stuff locally. All right, don't hurt yourself, pumpkin. That's a lot of money.
I'm not worried about hurting myself. I'm worried about at the prices that we're finding this
Yeah,
stuff
just be
at.
really careful. Be really careful. Put that on the flammable one. There you go.
Well, nothing's plugged in. So.
Nothing's plugged in. That's good. I'm glad I got a semi-expert here.
Yeah, no, if I'm your expert, we're in trouble.
Yeah. We wouldn't be able to synthesize anything, would we? It's funny.
Nice.
No, Liz would definitely be able to do it, yeah.
Liz would know what to do.
Yeah, I would take her over you on this
She told
predicament.
me if your goal is Breaking Bad, she actually knows what to do.
Okay, well we can start up Breaking Bad,
Not,
you know,
she's
season 2.
Never gonna do it.
Okay.
This one comes with its manual too.
Oh, let's look this one up. It looks really, really prominent. I'm just gonna do a measly 800 on it. You know
Only
what I mean?
800. Okay.
Yeah. It's got the manual on it too.
It looks.
Sorry, I keep moving with the camera because it's kind of. Sorry, there's a lot of shadows in here, guys.
Well, you were really right on your price.
Yeah.
$825.
They don't call me an expert for nothing. You know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean.
The professional store. Who buys the best? Let's just say it right now.
No.
Who buys the best, right, Alan?
On this one, absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, come on.
No, only $518.
That's it?
Yeah,
I'm really only going for the $3,000 items.
You're going for the 4-figure.
Yeah.
No, I'm very good with the 3-figure. This one's probably not going to be worth a whole lot.
No.
Hard to tell. Maybe about $100.
$100? Okay.
Only 100.
Well.
Look, this says French bread.
Okay. Oh, probably just a bunch of.
Yeah, we'll see what it is.
You
Air
never know.
purifying respirator.
Look at all this. Oh, look at that thing in the back, Alan. Holy crap, bro. I really want to see this, though. I've been eyeballing this thing. Here, hold this and I'll get that down.
Okay, let
That's
me
heavy.
bring this, put this over here.
Okay.
And
This one's quite heavy. There is some interesting machines up here, but I really want to see what this is, guys. Oh my gosh, it's heavy, Alan. Okay. It could be just a printer.
Yeah, but some of these step out of your way.
Good. Don't trip.
I'll try not to. That doesn't look like a printer to me.
Let me slide this $1,000 item over. And it has all the cords.
Yeah.
Voila! And it's got its maintenance manual. That's always good when you have the manuals, you know what I mean?
So maybe it's a spectrometer because it says Spectra Plus.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I mean, I've heard all these names over, you know, having been married to a chemist for about 33 years.
Yeah.
I've heard all the names.
Only 33 years?
Yeah, well, almost 33 years.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
You guys have all met Liz in the videos. She's a smart cookie. She also can really pack and organize well, too.
Yeah, she's good at that.
So this is it right here.
Yeah. Is there a model number on here? On the top? No.
You know what? There probably is on the side, though. Or on the back. Oh, on the back. Let me scoot this. Put pressure on the other side so it doesn't fall, Alan. I'll get the model. Oh, there it is right there. Hold on. It's on the very back on that side. Yeah. Let's scoot that over.
Max Plus.
You know, I'm guessing, I'm gonna say a measly 15 on this one. I really feel like this is worth something, you know? That's a $1,500 item right there all day long.
Let's see.
Watch, it's like a $300. I would ship that for 300.
800.
Ah, hey,
Yeah.
hey, you know, they all can't be 1,000.
800 is fine.
800 is fine.
Large, but it's not
Yeah,
impossible
no,
to ship that.
$800. That's a shipper item. Okay. Ooh, it got dark in here all of a sudden, didn't it, or no?
Yeah, well, I can't tell because my.
Yeah, I think it did get dark in here. Okay,
I want to see. There's some.
this microwave thing I want to see too.
Let's see what that is.
Oh,
I mean, this is an easy ship, so
yeah,
I like that.
yeah, it's an air pump. It's chrome.
$160.
Dude, are you kidding me?
eBay price.
Looks like it's got accessories or something
There's
down there.
accessories and stuff in here too.
Yeah, we don't want to leave this out of the bag. What is that? Is that an air dryer?
Oxford, it's a Bacti incinerator.
Okay. Does that take you back to the future?
It says caution hot, so.
Okay.
Let's
So
put
you
it
can't.
let's put it by the flammable.
You can't hair dry your hair with it, probably.
Probably wouldn't do that.
We could put it by the flammable and make things
It's
interesting.
a flameless sterilizer.
Okay. Looks like an older thing now.
No.
People still buy this stuff. Medical museum.
$125.
Oh, just 125 easy books.
Easy ship.
Yep, easy ship. All right, so we're doing a few items, guys. Then we're gonna put it all in the truck, and then we'll do a few items. Hopefully you guys like this video, because we got a lot more to show you. All right, so we're gonna find gold bars.
This is a visco meter according to this box.
Okay, a visco meter. This is in good shape, and I like the stuff that's got its own box. Oh, this is in great looking shape.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and it's been serviced. So long story short, guys, we have a little announcement. We're gonna film here for another 45 minutes, and then we're gonna take everything to the warehouse, and then we're going to, an expert is gonna show up at the warehouse magically and talk about some of this stuff. So that's our game plan. We're gonna get as much filming done here as possible, and then we're gonna take everything to my warehouse, put it all on tables, and then we're gonna have an expert go through and film some of this.
So
and we're gonna go through it.
Just this way,
Yeah.
I see for $750, but it's just this
Dude,
piece. So this
it's
is probably
easy shipping
1,000.
too. Yeah, easy shipping.
What do I do?
I already. All right, let's see what the next one is. Is it the same thing?
I don't know. I'm okay with another $1,000 item.
Yep. Oh, that's $1,000?
I'm telling you, with the case and everything, that's gonna be $1,000.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Without
this
the case,
this one's a little different.
yeah. Without the case, it was $750. I think that's the calibration records.
Oh my gosh.
Which is probably good.
Okay.
So let's take a look and see what this one comes up as. It's made in the USA. So
Okay. We'd like to see that.
yeah, probably means it's made well,
Yeah.
as opposed to something that breaks in.
Yeah.
That's not it, unfortunately. Let me look, because that one's listed for a lot of money.
This one, it looks like it's in very good shape. Plus, it's got the little electronic thingy here.
Yeah, it's got the calibration records.
Oh, this one's green
which
too.
is really cool.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a look at the model number. RVDV.
I'm guessing 1,200. I'll go an extra 200 from the last. Alan's working so hard today. I'm gonna take him to Shake Shack, guys. He's gonna have a bunless. Holy shit, dude!
And that's what
2,200.
That's what the case. So that's
what the case.
That's exactly this. $2,200.
Oh my! We're gonna go see another Knights game. Come on!
After,
Are we seeing another Knights game or no?
I'm good.
Okay. All right. So, oh, we also have the marshmallow maker down here.
Yeah, it's a chemical oven or microwave.
We did talk to the expert that's coming, and
Yes.
she said you do not marshmallows in here.
No. The expert was looking at this stuff and going, ooh, ah, they're like fangirling.
Yes, and you're gonna see that expert later in the video. Today, actually. We got a long day today.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing this like late tonight.
Yeah.
But it'll be nice to be in the warehouse. This is $1,100. So 11, 21, $4,200 for 3 pieces.
This is a $100,000 unit.
It's a
probably.
$100,000 unit or more.
Dude, who buys the best, right? Come on now, Pumpkin. All right, let's get this stuff in the truck. Now, we are gonna be very careful with the equipment. Right now, we're just showing you the equipment, and we're putting it here in the truck. We're being very careful. And then when we're ready to go, don't worry, we're gonna make sure this stuff's packed very nicely, and then we're gonna go to the warehouse. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
These,
we looked up these earlier.
yeah, I think they're between $100 and $200.
So
for
these are
Vortexer Mini.
we got those. We also have this over here. This thing weighs like 80 pounds. It's really heavy.
Yeah.
We looked some of this up. I think $1,000 for those.
Yeah, 1,000 each for these.
And then this is a Galaxy 20R.
I don't know what I couldn't tell you what it does by looking at it. It's made in Germany.
And I need your guys' help with this over here. What do we do with this, guys? It's a whole tub full. We've got a bunch of chemicals in here. So,
Yeah.
you know.
Well, we know what we have to do.
Yeah.
So.
Corn sugar gum.
Yeah, that's not so much chemicals, though, right?
No, these are not chemicals.
Okay, that's good.
These are food stuff.
Yeah.
Although this one says chemicals.
Well, this is potassium chloride, so.
Okay.
But
anyway, we gotta.
The nice thing is, before anybody starts freaking out.
Oh no, I'm doing that for the comments.
Okay.
There's not anything crazy in here. We do have a lot of bins over here that's got. They're all labeled, and we do have a way to dispose all of this stuff safely. Luckily.
Yeah, we've got contacts at the chemistry lab at the college. So
we're gonna build a. Now there is a lot of glass in here too. We're gonna go through. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go get all this stuff back in the truck. I know this video is choppy because it's everywhere, but then we're gonna start going through some of these boxes, guys, and then I gotta start loading this up because we gotta bring this all to the warehouse and finish up the video.
It's like,
I mean,
there's a whole
lot of those.
But I'm kind of wondering. There's so much we have to learn about this stuff.
Well, luckily we got an expert coming. Oh, there's wires in these ones. Is there wires in those ones?
Yeah.
Not for use on humans. That's nice. Diamond Electrico Tech. That's why you guys follow Wade's Ventures, because you never know what unit we're going to buy next. Always something different. Oh, Alan. Remember, these ones were expensive, right?
They could be.
These are all brand new.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of them in there, bro.
These are Corning. This I could look up on eBay.
Those other ones were like $100 each earlier in the video. And... wow. It's crazy. Those were $100 for a little case right there. Oh, I got some plastic in here. I'm gonna use that for shipping. Cannot believe the type of stuff we buy. We could just retire and be chemists. Even these, I think these could be worth something. I bet you these are crystal, or not crystal, but yeah, could they look like crystal, don't they?
Glass.
Or glass, yeah. Crystal glass. I mean, just an absolute insane amount of them. Can you imagine? And it's real heavy. Look at those, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah.
Gotta be careful. Got a whole lot of these. These are the brown bottles. Look at that, guys. Wow. They had some serious funding to buy all this stuff.
This stuff is all expensive.
Yeah. Serious funding. Plus we got an oven down here. This is a 1330GD oven. And I think, didn't we look this up, Alan? Wasn't it a few thousand, right, on this thing?
I think so.
Yeah.
Same with this one over here.
We got another one over there.
It's back. It's over here, like 2,200.
Oh, well, that's the same thing as these right here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so we got three of them.
That's the same thing as that. That was $2,200.
We got like $6 grand in those things, dude.
Yeah.
Look at this. Wow. Just a ton of this stuff. Oh, these are old beakers. Look at those. Wow. Oh, that's where the crystal tops go to, Alan.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, let me just see. So these are...
That's over here.
let's see, I'll just put this up here. Actually, they don't sit very well, do they?
Yeah, they may not be...
Oh, yeah, I'm right. Look, look, look. Oh, never mind. Wait, maybe? Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, let me put this down.
They're probably not meant.
Yeah, I'll put those down. Those are not meant for those. I don't think I'd make a great chemist. We did find stuff in here as well. So when you pull this out... Wait, hold on. I think it's a drawer. So these are $100 each, guys. And there's a ton of them in here. So these guys go to that. So if you guys remember on the side of the that fridge, well, actually I can show you. So these go to this right here, but this is a smaller version. This right here was like in the hundreds for research only. This is a smaller version, but you can see there's a big one right on that refrigerator over there.
Let me take a quick. Okay.
And even these are like $100 each. These charts, and you can see how many are in here. It's just absolutely wild. See, crazy amount.
This one's listed on eBay for $220.
Yeah, I mean, just incredible. Oh, there's more down here. Let's see, more stuff down here. I haven't. Oh, right here. Look at this.
Yeah.
I mean, just crazy amount of stuff. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start loading up the truck, and if we find anything interesting, we are going to show them, right, Alan?
Yeah.
All right, I gotta get some of this in the truck though. And so if we find anything interesting, we'll film it, and then we'll film the rest at the warehouse. And I'm gonna get Alan something to eat. All right, we found a bunch of these boxes. My goodness, they're packed. And let me know what you guys think, but look at this. They are absolutely packed full of bottles right here. Just a bunch of them. So, and they're all different sizes. You can see this one right here. These are all just a bunch of different bottles in here. Tubes, bottles, glass. This one's full of glass as well. Oh, this one's full of brand new glass though. Yeah. Look at that. Just a ton of them. Little glass bottles. All right, we're still packing away in here. Getting ready to take it to the warehouse. All right, so this guy bought
Three.
He had 4 storage units, or 3 storage units.
No, we had 4 total.
Or 4 total. We bought 1. My buddy Jay bought 1. We all bought 1. We're gonna see. Ellie bought 1. We're gonna see down there, by the way. Did you buy 1? Did you buy 1? Yeah. So we're gonna show you the other unit, and I think we know what happened. He was making cosmetics. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong, but let's check this out. Okay. This is a 5. How big is this one? 5 by 15. I think it's 5 by 15 or 10 by 20. Okay, or yeah, 10 by something. But I think they were making cosmetics, guys, because there's a ton of really cool cosmetics in here, right?
Yeah, these I looked at.
I mean, those are worth some money.
These sell for $49 each on Amazon.
Okay. And there's jars over there.
Boxes. Yeah.
I mean, so I think they were making cosmetics. I mean, I could be wrong, right? But there's.
I'm not sure that that's the case or not, but they were certainly selling a lot of.
And because there's some moisture machines in there too. The other one, right? Yeah.
It's pretty.
It's packed.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Okay. Well, they are really cool. I think there's some money here. I think they did really well, and there's a bunch of this stuff in here, guys. So. Pretty cool. I'm glad we were able to see this because I think they were making cosmetics, and they have a lot of. In one of the units, they had a lot of good glass. Sorry, I need to get some food. They had a lot of good stainless steel tables.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Down there too. So.
Yeah. All of these units.
And that's why they had the pallets down there, because they had that pallet jack on one of them too. Yeah.
Yep.
That makes sense. All right. We'll continue the adventure. We'll continue it. Right. You want to be on film? Come here. It's like, I don't know about you. Oh, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. And you don't shed, I found out. There's no shedding. So, yeah, there's no shedding. All right, guys, on to the next one. On to the next one. We got to show this one right here. We got equal time. Look at you. Hi. It's like, I don't want to do this, but I'm doing it anyway. That's Coco, guys.
That's a good name.
This is Jay's dog. Oh, Coco, how's it going? So we got 2 of them, and they do not shed. They're good if you got allergies. All right, here we go. On to the next adventure.
Yeah, we got to continue this one.
Yeah. All right, Alan, we're here, buddy.
We are here.
Before we show them the tables that are not full yet, because we're gonna actually put all the stuff on these tables and show you guys when the expert arrives. But in the meantime, if you guys are in the Oregon and Washington area, me and Alan started a Facebook group called Oregon Local Auctions.
Oregon Local Auctions.
So if you can pick it up in the Beaverton or Gresham area, or both. Alan lives in Gresham. I live in Beaverton, Oregon. A lot of people pick them up from both of us.
We had a lot of people, because we just ran our first auction, and we just had a lot of people pick up. They were coming here and then there. It was kind of funny.
Yeah. And keep in mind, we're doing it every 2 weeks, so the new auction has already started. Sorry, the battery died. New battery in here. But anyway, if you want to pick up from us, if you want to join our local auction, I'll put the link below.
Looks like a lot of people have picked up their stuff.
Yeah, oh yeah, this thing was massive.
Full. I saw it full.
And we got a lot more we're going to do.
Oh yeah.
But in the meantime, we've got more pressing issues. We've got empty tables. We got the door open. And more empty tables. So me and Alan for the next hour are going to set stuff on these empty tables. And then the expert's going to come a few hours later to explain what we have. Because we're
not the experts.
We're not the experts, okay? If there was 2 last people on the earth that should be chemists, it wouldn't be us.
Yeah. I almost was a chemistry major.
Actually, I think Alan can pull
but
it
then
off.
I came to my senses.
Yeah, Alan can pull it off, actually. Okay, all right. So let's get the stuff out of the truck. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. It's going to get exciting. It's that hour.
It's been a long day, Wade.
Yeah, we started at, when did we start?
Well, we were talking real early this morning.
Yeah.
And it's now 8:11, and...
you know it's a long day when Alan's yawning.
we got a long day ahead of us tomorrow, too.
Now, real quick. Wow, yes, spent a lot of time on the tables.
Yes.
And we brought an expert.
We have an expert.
We have an expert. And the expert, it's Liz.
It's me.
Okay, so real quick,
Yes.
you are the closest thing. Me and Alan could not be I mean, we would not.
We are the anti-experts.
Yeah, but we have an expert here.
I'm the closest thing to an expert because I have a PhD in chemistry.
And we have chemist stuff.
Yeah.
Chemistry stuff.
And
Okay.
biology stuff. So
Okay.
some of the stuff.
So why don't you show us just some cool stuff that we have on the tables, okay?
So what I consider to be cool.
It's probably not biology related.
Yeah,
It is not biology related.
that is a glass.
This is very awesome.
Uh-huh.
This is a manifold.
Did they use it on Breaking Bad?
No.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Have you seen Breaking Bad?
No.
Okay.
So you can hook this up to, say, a nitrogen tank to run your reactions under nitrogen. You can also hook it up to a vacuum. So one side would be hooked to a vacuum and the other one to a manometer.
Okay.
And you can do things under reduced pressure. Very cool.
I took science once in high school.
Yeah,
That's wonderful,
I took
Wade.
I took science in college. I took a physics class. It was affectionately known as physics for poets.
Oh,
I got an A in there though.
Wow. Okay. By the way, that's probably a couple $100, guys.
Yes. And then over here, I didn't look, but this is a centrifuge.
That's where they spin the tubes.
They spin the tube so that the solids fall to the bottom, compact, and the liquid's on top. You can drain the liquid off.
Oh, do you think they were spinning blood in that or no?
Probably.
That's gross.
Maybe. I don't really know.
Okay. Well, and we got a host of other stuff over here, and
A host of other stuff.
hundreds of dollars.
Yeah,
Let's
we
see
looked
what
up
this
some of the
was.
stuff while we were going through the unit today, and everything was.
By the way, that's like 80 pounds. That thing is so heavy.
This-
Yeah, I don't know why.
They said that. I don't know what this is.
I want to say it was like $300 or something when you looked
I
last time.
can scan it while she's looking.
I know those are like 500. Those weird.
Oh, this right here is an analytical balance.
Mhm.
I can't tell by looking at it. No, I can. I think I can see. It measures to either the nearest thousandths or 10,000ths.
Oh.
I'm just taking a picture to scan it.
Yeah, dual tasking over here.
Yeah.
Husband and wife team.
And so one of the things that we were also doing today is we were plugging things in and testing them, and everything we plugged in.
Yeah, no, I got an extension cord over here, guys.
Awesome. So this is a VWR Galaxy 20R refrigerated microcentrifuge.
It's a centrifuge.
It's a centrifuge.
They use a lot of fancy words with this stuff.
They do. And I see something for $922.
Oh my gosh.
I actually see eBay. This looks like it's at, let's see where it is on eBay. $970. So yeah, this is about $1,000.
That's excursion money. Okay, what else we got?
This is a desiccator. This is a nice desiccator that obviously have been used because it still has desiccant in it. And since the desiccant is still blue, it means it's still keeping the atmosphere inside dry.
That is very
It
interesting
goes pink
stuff.
when it's no longer
And see,
dry.
we don't even have to pay to go to get this knowledge, do we?
I think she really is an expert.
Yeah. Okay. What else we got? What is this stuff right here? This just
These are
not cool.
no, these are just stoppers, glass,
Okay.
ground glass stoppers.
I wonder if those are worth any money.
Well, they
Probably not.
are.
Okay,
I
they are.
just don't know what size they are because they don't have their sizes on them.
Okay. What else we got?
This is a water sonicating bath.
Do you?
Another water sonicating bath.
Would it help if you put your hand in there while it's going, or no?
No, but what you can do is you can use it to clean your jewelry
Oh,
if you wanted to.
that is actually
that's actually could be useful.
holy. That would be useful.
So if you go to a jewelry store, they have these, and they can put your rings in there to clean them.
Oh, that's
You can also use them for reactions too.
yeah. That's it.
I wouldn't need them for reactions.
Yeah, and we found out how much. Oh no, that was something else that we found. The ice thing. That's $1,000 right there.
Yes, it's a dry ice maker. Just a
The
fun
kids
fact,
love that at the Japanese restaurant.
A fun fact about the sonicators is my lab mates hated me at Cornell. And so I had to do it at night when I was doing a sonication for a reaction because they didn't want to hear throughout their whole day.
Yeah.
It was really annoying.
I wouldn't want to.
No, they didn't like it.
That's
So
part
I
of the
had-
whole experience.
I didn't visit her in lab very much.
Yeah,
Good.
So I
apparently
had to
not.
do my reactions at night.
Okay, what is this thing right here? The holes.
This thing right here, it's sort of like a hot plate. In other words, it warms something up. But the reason it has these holes is that you're trying to heat up test tubes. This is not something me as an organic chemist would use, but maybe a biologist.
An organic chemist.
Yeah. Organic.
That's fancy. Okay, what is this thing?
So this,
Yeah, I can't remember how much this thing was. Do you remember that?
It was quite a lot actually.
Yeah.
oh yeah, so this is a UV vis spectrophotometer. And we actually found right over here, these are the cuvettes that you put in them.
Oh.
Oh,
So
Oh, they're cubes. That's why they're called. I get it now.
that's cute.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very cute. Yeah.
yeah. And so these cuvettes, you put solutions in here, and let's say you have a blue solution and you want to know what the concentration is of that blue solution, you can look at the absorption at that particular wavelength to determine what the concentration is.
Do you give A, B, C, D questions for quizzes?
Multiple choice.
Multiple choice?
Some, but I
Okay.
find the show your work ones are much better.
Oh God. Yeah, I would not do well.
You get partial credit.
Okay. What else we got?
This guy right here.
That's the marshmallow maker. Remember?
It's not a marshmallow maker.
Well, Alan wanted to
It's
try
not a
it for
marshmallow
that.
maker.
Okay, open that thing
So
up.
what did we decide this thing was?
That is a. I think it's a. It's hard to open. I've already tried it. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Okay. Oh.
So this thing right
Oh, by the way, it
here,
turns on. I
It
plugged
does
in.
turn on.
Well, that's excellent.
Yeah.
I think this is a sterilizer.
Oh, yeah.
Initially, we thought
Oh,
it
God.
was a microwave. A chemical microwave is really, really nice.
Yeah.
Using a commercial microwave in the lab is not a good choice. Trust me.
Yep.
Done it. Bad choice.
Well, we have a couple.
Fire. Yeah.
Yeah, I had a fire. Anyway, but I think this is for sterilizing something. Again, it's a piece of biology equipment. Don't know.
And we got a lot of equipment over here. What is these? Where's the tops to these?
No, there is no tops. This
Oh.
is for mixing. Again, it's a biology thing.
Uh-huh.
It's a vortexer. And so you put the tube on top and it vibrates it to mix it.
Okay.
That's all I know.
I feel like you
never
can barely
used
put the
one.
tube in there though. Wouldn't
I
it fall
don't
out?
know. I've
Oh.
never used one.
Yeah, weird.
But those biologists. too.
That guy
Yeah.
over there is a pump for pulling.
By the way, that's
Low
expensive. How
pressures?
much was that thing?
Yeah, that one
Oh, no, it
was
says
over
a-
$1,000.
Yeah.
It's a pretty
Okay.
big one. And again, another analytical balance over here.
And those were like $400 or $500. Those analytical
They are.
balances. Yeah.
Yeah, that pump
They're
was
pretty
expensive.
pricey.
I think that was pretty pricey too.
Yeah.
Digital
This was another digital balance, so it's not an analytical. That's
Oh,
really nice.
That's fancy.
It looks portable.
Yeah.
I don't know. what
This
that
stuff is really expensive.
And these look to be in great shape.
Yeah.
So these are regulators. So the reason
Is there any
it has
other
two
pieces
dials-
to it or no?
No, this is
Okay,
it. This
okay.
attaches onto your tank right over here, your gas tank.
Yeah.
And so one of these tells you how much gas is left in your tank, and the other one you use to adjust how much you want to come out.
I feel like I'd blow up the building if I was doing any of this, right?
These are really very new looking. I've seen lots of incredibly old looking ones.
And by the way, we looked those up.
Yeah.
150, 200 bucks.
They were averaging like
a pop.
150 to 200.
That paid for the whole unit.
And
Those
there's
two.
probably like about 20 of them.
Yeah.
in These.
That paid for the whole unit.
Originally, when I saw this, I thought this was a dry box.
Wait, is this a if your heart stops?
No,
Okay.
no, wait.
Okay. What is that?
Not for human use. See
Oh.
that?
Okay. Not for human use. Okay.
Not for
All right.
human
What is this thing?
So what this is for doing something under a different atmosphere.
Okay.
So this part right here is again.
Do astronauts use this or no?
No.
Okay.
So this is for getting your whatever it is in and out. This in a normal dry box, I think, yep, it is. It's attached to a vacuum system to evacuate the contents here. Then you fill it with whatever gas you want.
Okay.
The same gas that's in here, so you can transfer. Say you need a chemical or whatever, only under nitrogen. You can transfer it from here into here. And then there's gloves that are located inside.
Okay.
This is filled with whatever gas you want it to be filled with.
Okay.
And then it's really annoying. They're big old gloves, and you have to manipulate things in here.
Okay, here,
with
shake your
gloves
hand a little bit.
attached.
Yeah, in there. Okay.
So,
And so you manipulate it inside.
I have a question. So it's this hypoxia chamber. Is that similar to like if somebody's diving and they need to
See?
come
Astronauts.
to the pressure?
I've never seen it called a hypoxia chamber.
Yeah.
To me, this looks like a dry box, and I think it operates exactly the same way as a chemical dry box. Because again, that chamber over there is pumped down and filled with whatever gas is in here. So whatever you're bringing in can stay under that inert atmosphere.
It's got a digital screen.
Again, nitrogen, maybe this, you put oxygen in it. I don't know, since this is mostly biology equipment, it will be different than the way
She's
a
an
chemist would
organic
use this.
chemist.
I'm an organic
Yeah.
chemist.
Way cooler.
This one is being we found this exact model being sold for $4,500.
Yeah, it's that paid for the whole unit.
And those were very pricey too over there.
What's the fondue
This
thing?
is not fondue. This is a rotovap. Everything seems to be hooked to a vacuum.
I know.
This is hooked to a vacuum, so
Okay.
you can reduce the pressure, so you can suck solvent off of a reaction mixture at lower temperatures.
Would your students know any of this stuff?
We use this all the time. We
Yeah.
use it almost every day in lab, in an organic lab.
How many do you have? Because there's actually two of them in that unit, by the way.
We technically have two. We have one that's functional and one that was donated to us, which is not working.
Maybe we need to talk
If
about
you
that.
have one
We have
that
two.
physically works,
Yeah, that one works.
I would love to have it.
I'm sure that works.
Well, maybe that's what you get then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This right here is a
Just
water
don't do
bath.
chocolate in it.
This is a water bath because, again, sometimes you still have to heat it up even though you've reduced the pressure.
You know, there is the other one though that we didn't put in.
Yeah.
So there's two of
We
them.
did have a couple of
So
these.
a smaller one would be nice. This is a bit on the bigger side.
Bigger is better.
But if you're willing to donate a cart for me to put it on.
Okay, we can do that.
We got like 9
We,
carts.
yeah, well, maybe we'll see. She only gets one item out of the. By the way, guys, for all the expert help, we're paying her with an item. I tried to give her many items, and she declined all of them.
That's going to be donated.
Donate.
Donate.
Yeah, donate, not give. Yeah, donate it.
Because it's
Yeah.
not going to her. It's going to the
Exactly. Yep.
These are just round bottom flasks. They're ground glass, which means that they create a nice seal, whether it is with a stopper or another piece of glassware. One of the pieces of glassware that I did take, let's see, so you can see how they fit together.
Those tiny little things.
Here's a stopper.
Oh.
It creates a nice seal.
I thought
which
they
then-
put perfume in those.
No,
It kind of looks like a light bulb.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I wonder if Edison got his idea. I mean,
The reason I think it has this kind of top is if it gets sealed, you can tap it gently, not hard, Wade.
okay.
Gently.
I did that to the
break
wine
the
bottle and
seal.
it broke. That
Yeah,
and
you
yeah, that was
gently
wild.
tap it.
Okay.
But this brings me to something else that you have here
Okay.
that's really weird.
Show me, organic chemist. What else we got? We got a lot of boxes here we didn't show on film because me and Alan had to get out of there.
You have a whole bunch of this stuff. This is called parafilm. Do you have any scissors?
Actually,
And
I
I can
do.
show you
Alan,
how it works.
right over there, right on that desk on the. Yep. That's what you use parafilm for. We talked about this earlier.
I'll show you how you use parafilm.
Okay.
This is
Very
obviously
exci-
already been used because I can see it's been cut.
Very exciting stuff. You guys are getting education without paying. This is great.
You take a piece off,
Okay.
take off the backing,
Okay.
the backing off. And this allows you to better seal.
Okay. So that way nothing comes out.
Yeah. So you hold it like this and you pull it and it stretches.
Interesting.
That's not being broken very easily.
No,
Wow.
it helps to seal it.
That is very
That's
exciting.
what parafilm is used for.
I was wondering. I wouldn't be able to sleep tonight without knowing
I
that.
knew that would be the case.
Let's see what else we got over here. Okay, so we have. There was a. We got a bunch of bottles.
They're just bottles.
There's bottles. What are these? Oh, by the way, we were playing a little game. Me and Alan. A little game. How much do you think this is
What is this?
worth? Now you may not know what it is because we didn't know. Of course, that doesn't mean anything, but wait, Alan, this one's different looking. Did we check both of them or just the one?
I only looked at one of them.
Yeah, this one's different looking.
I don't know.
Okay, let's try this one actually. Sorry, let's redo the game.
Yeah, this is
that one we didn't look at. This one right
that
here.
was the
This
thing.
is a Branson Sonifier.
That right there. How much do you think that is?
I don't know.
Take a wild
It's
guess.
not organic.
It is metal.
It's a piece of metal.
It's a piece of metal.
Yeah.
How much do you think? Because the audience already knows. They already seen it
I don't
earlier.
know.
Just take a wild guess.
$1,000.
That's a good guess.
That's a pretty good guess, but try 3,500.
Wow.
No, that was for two of them.
Oh.
So it's about 1,600.
Oh yeah, sorry, two
Cool.
of them. Okay. Anyway.
Okay,
Yep.
so what else
We don't
got?
know what we don't even know what that is then. 'Cause
Yeah,
I
we-
just assumed they were the same.
Yeah, that's true.
But yeah, see it. That one says Branson Sonifier, and that one says Branson Sonifier Horn.
Oh. What are these things? Do you use these over there?
What is this? Is this the same? Oh yeah, this is okay. I haven't used one since being at Cornell, but these, if I'm correct about this ends up hooking to a rod. The one that I had would hook to a rod, and it can stir for you. So at the end of the rod is a paddle, and it stirs your reaction. I believe that's what this is.
Stirs your reaction.
Some kind of thing like that, but a biology version.
Yeah.
It stirs your reaction for
So it's like a blender,
kind of.
or you can make.
Kind
you know,
of like a
Very,
blender.
very expensive blender.
Yeah.
These both ended up around $1,000.
Were they? I can't remember.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What else? Any other cool
See,
stuff?
Other cool things.
I was wondering what these
There's
were
another
actually.
pump right here.
Those little- Yep.
This is a biology thing. I think, I don't know.
They're
for sure. Maybe
slides.
it's for holding slides.
Yep. I was thinking that.
It's not something I would use.
Well, I think that they didn't use this for gross stuff because me and Alan were worried
No.
about that. We're bringing in some like biohazard.
Let's see what else it's in.
They got some cool hot pads over here.
What is a chemical
So-
sensor?
I don't know. I don't know what a chemical.
That was only like 300. I thought that would
Yeah,
be
it
more.
I'm not sure what that is.
Only 300.
Only three.
Somewhere around here, I did see a thermocouple that you
Mm-hmm.
could probably use to measure the temperature of the reaction.
Uh-huh.
There's a lot of ring stands and clamps.
This is all stuff you probably use. Right,
it's
ring stands and clamps?
We have ring stands.
Well, what do you think about this unit, organic?
I think
Chemist?
this is super cool.
This is very cool. This is her type of unit, isn't it?
Well, this is a pH meter.
Yeah. Is it an old one? Looks old.
I don't know. It's a pH meter.
Alan?
Me? Oh my gosh, I love this unit because, we're gonna do very well. We're gonna, donate some things to the college.
Yes.
And
We're gonna try to donate those.
yeah.
What are they called? Metal things.
Yeah,
Yep.
the chemical, the chemical card.
What's the scientific word for
I
it?
couldn't tell you.
The metal carts.
So they only use the stuff for the hard stuff.
And there's so at the unit we've got the big pieces which are worth thousands.
Oh my gosh! And the
of dollars.
refrigerator?
The refrigerator we saw at $8,000.
That was wild.
And
And those other things were what? How much were they? Those weird pizza looking.
2,200, and there are like three of them.
Yeah.
For $2,200.
It's like $6,000 worth of.
There's like the ovens, as you said, the chemical ovens.
Did you look up the incubator?
I did not look at the incubator.
Where's the incubator? Oh, let's look that up as the
It's
last item,
probably
Alan.
for again, it's a biology thing.
Probably biology.
All right, what do you guys know? What do you guys? Let me know in the comments. How much do you think this? It looks like a safe.
It
It's
kind
not
of
safe.
does, but no.
Let's see.
It's probably for putting.
For pudding.
Do you put eggs in there?
No, not for putting eggs in, but for putting in the little petri dishes.
Oh,
To
you're
incubate. What's it called?
Probably a couple $100 for that.
okay. A couple hundred.
Yeah, but
If it's not 1,000,
hundreds,
I mean, who
hundreds,
cares, right?
hundreds. And we still have stuff there that we haven't gone through
Yeah.
yet.
Yeah, and we have another one of those big things in there. How much were those? They weren't even that expensive, were they? I can't remember.
was it?
The fondue dish thing over there.
That.
Yeah. How much is that?
I don't know. There's
I
several
thought that was
$100.
about $400 or $500.
No, is it? Okay. All right. Well, we brought the expert. We brought the muscle, and we brought. I don't know what
And
I
then
featured.
wait.
The camera guy. This is such a great unit. And by the way, we're going to be buying a lot of other good units, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow our local group, Oregon Local Auctions. If you want local stuff, that's what all these shelves are for. And for Liz's help, we are going to give her the fondue dish thingy. The Rotovop. The Rotovop. So don't think that she's not going to be getting anything to donate to the college. The college is going to be donation. We're going to give some donations.
Oh, yes, for
So,
sure.
and on top of that, also those we're going to donate. Those right
the
there.
Cowboys.
Yes, those right there.
yeah.
Yep. We got a bunch of them. And I think they were doing cosmetics. I mean, it makes sense that they were making cosmetics.
It has DI. It says it had deionized.
One last thing. Take a look at this. Oh my gosh, that thing is huge.
So this giant Erlenmeyer flask.
Holy moly. Is that Pyrex too?
Oh, I'm sure it is.
Pyrex, I guess.
Glass.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's actually got to be worth a few bucks.
I'm sure it
Let's
is.
see the Pyrex.
glass for all
Oh, it's made in England.
It's got a number too.
Oh my gosh, Alan.
Pyrex 4980. I'm gonna take a look at it.
Yeah, real quick. Let's take a look at
that.
that. I didn't even notice it was down there until 2 seconds ago.
There's so much stuff here. Oops, help if I spelled Pyrex, right?
Yeah, Pyrex. Spell it out, Alan.
Yeah.
Pyrex.
I spelled it wrong the second
I got
time.
people yelled at me for saying it wrong many years. Pyrex. How do you say Pyrex?
I call it
Pyrex.
Pyrex.
Pi and Rex. How much?
Looks like 150, I think.
Jeez, 150. It's wild.
Oh, no, that one's less. We have to see because this is a vintage one too.
Mm-hmm.
So
I don't think they care if it's vintage or not.
Yeah,
in the lab.
it's yeah, exactly. They won't. Yeah. Can you imagine? They only want vintage Pyrex glasses.
in the lab they don't.
In the lab.
somebody
They don't
collects
care.
it.
I think all of our glassware is vintage these days.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
It's actually surprisingly
Cheaper?
cheaper than I
Oh.
thought it'd be. Well, would that be something that you guys
Yeah.
would want at
I have
college?
no
should-
idea.
you should
if
put it
we
on your
want
desk.
something this
Well,
large,
we'll
'cause we
talk
do have
to the
lab coordinator.
the lab coordinator.
All right. Much love, Alan. The expert. See you until next time, right?
Next time,
Next time.
which might be tomorrow.
Might be tomorrow.